A team of researchers at the University of Scranton have their eyes set high in the atmosphere. Ganyanat Hazami and Dr. Nathaniel Frizzell are studying the ionosphere and how the weather up there impacts communication signals across the world.
Sound far away, but it's actually not. It connects us in the daily life.
All the weather that we're used to occurs about 5 to 10 miles above the Earth's surface in this area. But the ionosphere, it's way above that. It starts at about 30 miles above the Earth's surface, but extends hundreds of miles above our heads. Frizzell and Hazami will be taking data from ham radio and GPS signals to better make models of the upper atmosphere. They say right now the observations don't connect well with the models.
So we need ways of comparing the data that we can receive, like this ham radio data, with actual models.
It is actually very similar to what the Storm Tracker 16 weather team uses here at Newswatch 16. We have observations like temperature and winds. Those observations are put into models that show potential weather patterns. The researchers will use a similar process called ray tracing to show how radio signals travel, the type of stuff we use daily.
If you have a GPS signal going through the ionosphere, any sort of variation in the ionosphere is going to cause a delay in those GPS signals going from the satellite to the ground.
The team received 2 grants for their project, each totaling about $600,000. The newest grant will enable them to study how signals travel through what are called plasma bubbles. Hazami says the bubbles are a disturbance, like solar flares that come from the sun.
There are a lot of fluctuation in plasma density, and this kind of fluctuation cause a lot of irregularity when the radio wave on the Earth transmit through the plasma bubble itself.
The projects are expected to last through 2029. We'll keep the ionosphere to them. The Storm Tracker 16 weather team will focus on what's happening down here in the lower atmosphere. Anthony Bordenaro, Newswatch 16, Lackawanna County.